Alright guys, welcome back here at Ziggy. We're taking you bastards sailing. Just coming up here in the bay again. Got a crazy storm off this side. I'm just barely staying ahead of it. It's kind of going. Alright, looks like I'm taking you bastards sailing again. Coming out the cut here off of Caney Creek. We got crazy storms here and I got a batch of them coming in off the Gulf. I finally said hell with it, just let's get out here. Gusty winds, supposed to be some good solid winds. We should get some speed today. That's the game. I don't know if we'll go out in the bay or not. The water's up. We'll see how the ICW is doing. If we can get some speed in the ICW, that might rock it. But we might have to go out in the bay and double it up. It's raining. It's raining. We're gonna run from this stuff. Here we go. See if we can outrun this rain. We're flying. Come on, baby. Get me out of the rain. Yeah, that's one way to get out of the rain. Headed south, southwest on the Texas ICW. I think we're almost out of the rain. Not bad, not bad. Little snack in here. I'm gonna have to get some sunshine out before I crack a beer, I think. The wind's kind of fickle in and out, but when it's in, boy, woo! It starts cranking. Well, I thought we'd be a little crazier today. Well, I'm sure it'll get there. I thought we'd be flying right now. We're forecasting some pretty heavy winds here coming up, though. Here comes a little gust. We're making good time. For my 34 footer, I was happy at this speed all day long. This was doing pretty good. Use tri-hulls, multi-hulls, completely different animals. They'll move. Bacon and eggs. Boiled eggs and some bacon. Right out of the cooler. Not bad. We're not getting hurt bacon. Boiled eggs. Who doesn't love boiled eggs? Oh, I can hear the surf roaring out there. Tides are big today. Surf is big today. It's supposed to be like 16-mile-an-hour winds right now. I think we're going to see them before we get done here, but getting impatient, I guess. Still make a good time. We're like 6 miles an hour. Oh, we got another big old rain guy out there. We can outrun him. He's looking ugly. Give you a peek here. And you can see. That's out over the Gulf. Hopefully we stay off to the right of it. I hear you, I hear you. Alright. Let's rock and roll here. Ooh, fisherman. Now we're rocking. Turn the lightning detector on, we'll see what we get. Ooh, baby. Hell yeah, closing in at 8 miles an hour. There's someone sneaking up behind me. With the rearview mirror I was talking about last sail. Aha! I did it. Little tiny guy. It's hard to see a lot. You see a freighter. And here he comes. Ooh, that storm's getting close. It's getting close. We're hoping to get up to these guys before we get to those guys. Oh yeah, we're dancing up to the 8s again. Rolling up on the tripod. We might go out on the bay. We'll see. I heard the bay chews up real bad with some weather, and that's weather. Oh, that baby's getting closer. This could be ugly. All the vultures lining the river here. Oh, I heard a chirp. Ooh, interesting color. That looks wet. That looks wet. Yeah, some big old storms out there. We're catching the surf off it. All right. It's getting closer. Still say we're gonna get out around it here. Oh yeah, coming up on the tripod, boys. I think we might go for a run. Alright, now let's make this baby play. So we're out in the bay. We got storms coming in off the Gulf. They're making for a great wind. So let's see what we can do with it. Because I'm taking you bastards sailing. Here we go. I think we want to go this way. Woo! That's an ugly looking storm right there. Might behoove us to set it in. Back. That's the game plan, guys. Ooh, God, look at it behind me. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Decisions. Alright, I'm going to hang out here and see if we can go let it go by. That's the decision. Alright, let's spin it around. Use it up. We don't need to go right into it. Here it comes. Stay towards the sunshine. Ah, that was a landing. That's some ugly stuff. That's some ugly stuff out there, guys. You can see it's some bad stuff we just come out of. See if it'll pass. We're out in the sunshine here yet. We're out here. Let's make the best of it. Here we go, boys. Big old storm. Hopefully we can stay out of it. Let it go by. Hopefully it'll keep going, getting bigger out there. See that storm back there? We don't want any part of it. Whoa! Woo, outrunning the storm. We're breaking up a little there. If we get around this pod, I'm turning it around and trying to get her back to the dock without too much crazy shit. I'm out here in parts of the bay I've never been through before. You guys see a boat over there. Seems like it keeps getting farther out that way. Oh, man. Don't have any phone connection out here. I checked the radar. Keeps opening up over that way. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn around and make a run for it. Here we go. Yeah, there was a boat. Rock and roll at one time. Now we're gonna fly. Look at that. Boys and girls, we're going to roll it right up into this storm, it looks like. Maybe, hopefully the storm's moving faster than we are, get ahead of us. Ha ha! A lot of wind, but we don't get a lot of speed here. This could turn into adventure, good or bad. That's a hunk of weather. As the weather is coming in, it's supposed to be about 2 o'clock. It's supposed to be 40% chance. It's looking 40% to me. But it's been coming in pods all day. I finally just said, hell with it. Let's jump out here and do it. Hopefully that doesn't come back to haunt me too bad. Woo, doggies. Here we go. Back out in the ICW. Hopefully the wind isn't too much off our bow. Right now, we're cranking it. power boater headed back in. He's thinking the same thing I am. It's like it's slowly working ahead of me. I'm hoping. Woo, doggy. You got some momentum going. Come on, weather, keep going that way. I've ridden out some crazy ones in the big boat, 25-foot waves, whatnot. I've never done it in this one. Well, I guess that means it's time for the first beer. Pay attention now, let's get this thing moving. Trying not to litter. That's the sound. Well, we might be daddling some big storms here. Because I'm taking you bastards sailing. And there's some bad stuff coming in off the Gulf here. We're a little ways out from home base. Well, do I make it through the storms? Do I get back in one piece? Does Mel get to keep the farm? Watch part 2, you'll find out. You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, ring the ship's bell, and let's go sailing.